Hey my goddesses, it's your girl Empress Natalie. So today we're going to be doing a quick and easy eyebrow tutorial, budget friendly. You do not have to spend tons of money trying to make your eyebrows look nice. Alright, so this is going to be quick, easy, simple. Alright, let's get into it.
It's super smooth, super curvy and super cool. Not a geese, but she on the goose. Or the brown when she getting loose. Get both shit, gotta choose. Too loud when she with the crew. Bust a plate, now she on the move.
Alright my goddesses, so for this eyebrow tutorial, it's going to be nice and simple and easy. Honestly, this is budget friendly. You don't have to have expensive products to make your eyebrows look popping. Like you can use MAC products, you can use ABH products, but today I'm using this NK makeup eyeliner, NK makeup auto eyeliner.
What?
That I got from the beauty supply store, and it was like $2. And my eyebrows about to be popping. You can use high-end products if you like to. I've used all of them honestly, but I just like eyebrow pencils just because my eyebrows are a little thinner and I do like to overdraw them. So just to start, what I like to do is start from the bottom and line it. And I always line a little bit under where my eyebrow actually starts because I am going to be overdrawing my eyebrows. So I start from the bottom and then I kind of just curve. I always outline the bottom of my eyebrow first, and then I'm going to outline the top where I want it to start. So I do the bottom and then I'm doing the top. And then when I do the front, I kind of want to not do too much. I want to lightly do it. And then when I'm filling it in, now I'm just going to really fill in. Like the back part doesn't really matter. You can just fill that in. And if you have excess hair, you always want to take your little spoolie and kind of clean it up. I like to do that too. Clean it up a little bit. And then kind of pick it up from the bottom. But still, I'm going to go ahead and fill it in some more. So you just want to like grab it from the bottom and then slightly, gently stroke it. Like put gentle strokes because you don't want it to be too harsh in the front part of your eyebrows. So you just want to like give light, gentle strokes. And we're going to clean it up as well. Like I said, I overdraw my eyebrows and I make them way longer than they actually are. Because God decided to, give all my family thick, bushy eyebrows, but leave me here with the little thin eyebrows. I don't know what was going on in the pot that was mixing up with me, but, it's okay. We're gonna make it work. We're going to make it work today. So I'm going to show y'all again. I always start from the bottom. Just outline it. And, like, you see how my hairs start right here? I'm drawing a line under it. Okay, because we'll have some nice thick eyebrows today. Okay, you ain't give them to me, I'll make them. All right, and we're just outlining the bottom. And I kind of pull mine down too. I mean, it's just, honestly, it's your preference, how you want. If you want them thick, thin, outline it to where you want it to be. And then I kind of go at the top again. And then align it. Clean up a little bit. All right, and then we go ahead and fill that in. Fill these little bad boys in. Be very gentle when you come in to the what?
What?
Be gentle when you're doing it from the front part, so it's not like it don't look crazy. All right, so now go ahead and fill this in. All right, and then we're going to do gentle strokes in the front. You're going to do gentle strokes. But if you do a little harsh, it's okay. We can always clean up with some concealer. I kind of like eyebrow mines a little bit. Just because I've been doing my eyebrows for a while now, I know where to stop. But if you're not sure, just do gentle hair strokes And if you overdo it, we can always clean it up with concealer. And then you kind of just want to outline wherever you see. We got ourselves a good little look and we didn't even conceal it. All right, so the concealer I use matte cream concealer. This one is the colors NC45. The color I usually use, I'm out of that. But because I know how to do my eyebrows and I know how to finesse this, I'm actually going to use the Ochre. I think that's what it's called. Their color corrector. That's what I've been using. And honestly, my eyebrows have been popping when I do my makeup looks. So I might just stick with this until I get my other concealer done in. But I think I might just stick with this color correcting yellow because it just makes my eyebrows pop. So I'm using an angle brush. And all you want to do is just kind of start lining under, cleaning it up. I like to have a thick amount because I do like my eyebrows to pop, under my eyebrows to pop. So I do use a thick amount, but you just kind of want to just outline it and clean it. And just be very careful when you're outlining it, kind of like you're drawing, because that's what you're basically doing. And if you mess up, you can always go back with the pencil and clean it up. Okay? So I'm kind of mixing it, and then I like to pull it down. Once I get that there, I like to pull it down. Now with the residue, I'm gonna do the front part. I'm gonna clean it up. Make sure that line is straight. All right, and now pull it down. And then I always like to clean it up as well with my small little brush, and that kind of pat it so I have my color intact. And then every time I do my eyes, I always just like to bring down the concealer, to be honest, because I'm always gonna do an eye look. If you want to look like you're waking up and you like didn't just slap on your eyebrows, pull that concealer all the way down and cover your eyelid with it. If you have like dark circles like I do, it's always easier and easiest to like just pull that concealer down. Pull it down, like catch it, pull it down. Pull that thing down and cover your eyelid. So you look semi-awake for the most part. If you're not trying to do like a full face and you're trying to just do your eyebrows and go, pull it down. All right, and there we go. And I always like to add a little bit more concealer, just me. I'm gonna add some more on my lid. If you really wanna look awake. There we go. So for the top part, I use my the NC50 concealer at the top. And then I kind of just line it. I always use the darker shade at the top because I don't want the halo effect on my eyebrows. So I'm gonna just clean it up. And you want to be very careful when you clean the top part so you don't overdo it. But if you do mess up by any chance, you can always clean it up. You can always go in again with the pencil. And you kind of just want to pull it, little strokes, pulling it up. Look, that I already messed up. So we can go back and fix it. So yeah, just go do little strokes, pulling it up. Actually, I'm glad I messed up so I can show y'all what to do when you do mess up. All right, now I got that down. I'm gonna go ahead with the concealer brush and I'm gonna wipe this down, blend it in. Okay, now I have a little bit of error at the top, as you can see. So what I'm gonna do, take my pencil, line it in. And you fix it. Just fill in all those little areas that you did wrong. There we go. And then you wanna spoolie it out to the front. All right, now we do wanna make sure it is blended. And I don't ever go out with just my eyebrows done and no like full face. So right here where you can see like the kind of light color, when I do my eyeshadow, I blend it in. So I'm gonna just do that real quick. I'm gonna show y'all. So I would take my blending brush, whatever color I'm putting in the crease, I'll go right here. I'll go right here and I clean it up. So it's not looking so white. But if you're not gonna do any eyeshadow, just take a brush right here and then whatever brush you would use right here, like any brown tone color, any brown tone color eyeshadow, just put it a little bit on the brush and then just kind of rub it a little bit. And then you always wanna go like this and then rub it in. So that way your eyebrows is looking natural and it's not looking like you got some concealer all at the bottom of it. And when in doubt, just kind of spoolie it in. And I also do have like an angle with this to this brush and I kind of create more little strokes. More little hair-like strokes. So that it just looks more natural. There we go. Just gotta clean it up. All right. So I'm about to clean up the other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and did the other eyebrow. Right here, as you can see, is done. And if it's not as dark enough as you want it, you can always fill it in some more. Like I said, I like my eyebrows a little thicker. But yeah, this is it. Like, simple. You don't have to have expensive product just to make your eyebrows look nice. $2. I mean, if anything, concealer-wise, you can use LA Pro concealer. I still use it. The color I would use is not for Warm Honey. That's the color I use for under my eyebrows if I use LA Girl concealer. It was like $3. So all on a budget. All right, y'all, don't forget to click like and subscribe and join my goddess gang. Thank y'all. See y'all next time.